Hi, I'm Paul Kim. I'm a longtime ETF industry veteran, and this is now my third ETF platform.
My name is David Berns. I'm the CIO at Simplify. I started my career as a physicist, specifically in quantum physics, quantum computation. And at some point in my career, I discovered finance and the really interesting problem of how to build investment portfolios.
Simplify is an RIA and we're an ETF provider. Essentially, we provide institutional caliber alternative strategies and hedge fund type exposures inside of an ETF. We're helping to democratize access to these things for your average advisor, for your RIAs out there, and for your portfolio asset allocators of any size. And we really think the ETF as a vehicle continues to offer unique access, and we want to keep delivering more choices for our investors. If you think about the value we bring to our advisors, first and foremost, we're very transparent, right? It's the nature of the ETF vehicle or the wrapper, but we're very transparent with why we're doing things and what our view of the market structure or available tools that we use to build our strategies. Building trusting relationships with advisors who themselves have fiduciary responsibility and trust to their clients.
Everything we're offering is unique. Like, we're not copying what other people are doing. We're not trying to offer something you can already get.
What's constant in all of our products, it's really our culture, right? So we have a culture that is hyper focused on risk management, hyper focused on robustness of strategies, hyper focused on really things that could go wrong. It's sort of like the bond manager's mentality to investing.
And I think the other core thing is in our servicing, we make ourselves fully available to investors. If you can't access us, then we're doing something wrong. That, we want to be available so we can be a real partner to you.
Part of simplifying the complicated for us means being able to explain and to educate and provide access to our thought leadership, to our talent at every level, whether you're a portfolio manager or you're a salesperson much more focused on client servicing. Everyone is expected to have technical ability to really understand why our portfolios are doing what they're doing.
We've been very fortunate, given the network we've built over the last 2 decades, and the whole leadership team. We've had access to the best talent and to people who are just ready to transition to something where they could really make a difference in the investment world. Our ecosystem, our culture, our framework allows for rapid prototyping and development of pretty much any solution that the market would demand, whatever the asset class is, whether it's equities, fixed income, commodities, whether it's listed products or OTC. I mean, our framework is broad enough where we can prototype and develop and bring to market pretty much across all those markets. Yeah, so when we think about building portfolios, we're not wedded to the status quo or an old paradigm, right? We're not simply wedded to building an investment portfolio that's 60-40 equities, fixed income. So we just genuinely look to see what do we believe is the optimal portfolio out there, and we will just go after that and put that out there. So whether it's better use of leverage, convexity, whether it's a carry trade that can enhance your income, whatever it is, we're just going to go there and put that into what we would say is an optimal portfolio.
We are just absolutely about efficiency, about pragmatic leverage of infrastructure, about sort of the best in class applications and platforms wherever we could get it. And so I think from that perspective, from a technology perspective, when I think about technology, it's not just the soups and nuts of sort of coding and things like that. We do plenty of that. It's really about the mindset that says, I'm always going to improve. I'm always going to have the next version. I'm always going to look around for best in class.